Turbocharging has become a staple in the world of radical car modifications. This process involves force-feeding cool compressed air into the engine, leading to a serious horsepower boost. One inspiring case is the transformation of an ordinary hatchback into a turbocharged speedster. After a few weeks of intensive tuning, the owner took it out for a test drive. An acceleration that once seemed mundane transformed into a breathtaking surge. Imagine hitting 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. The driver reported heart-pounding excitement, proving that radical modifications can redefine driving experiences, whether for the track or the streets. Turbocharging delivers pure adrenaline rush.